So today we're going to talk about all we've learned in this unit, and we're going to review it so we're ready for our test. The first thing that we talked about was identifying points, lines, line segments, rays, angles, and perpendicular and parallel lines. Then we identified and drew lines of symmetry for two-dimensional figures. We also applied our knowledge of right angles so we could identify acute, right, and obtuse triangles. We also classified two-dimensional figures based on the presence or absence of parallel or perpendicular lines, or the presence or absence of angles of a specified side. In other words, we identified polygons. So today we're going to practice identifying polygons a little bit before we take our exam. So remember, we have regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons have equal sides, and all angles are equal. We call that equilateral and equiangular. If it does not have all sides equal and all angles equal, it's irregular. And of course, we already know they have to have straight sides, no curved sides, and all of them have to be closed with vertices. And we've been focusing on the interior angles. What figure has all sides that are the same length, or we call it a squished square? All right. What figure has all sides that are the same length, or we call it a squished square? What figure has all sides that are the same length, or we call it a squished square? Did you say rhombus? Good job. Which figure is this? Which figure is this? Count the sides. Which figure is this? Did you say heptagon? Nice. Next question. Which figure has two parallel sides and two sides that are not parallel? Which figure has two parallel sides and two sides that are not? Did you say trapezoid? If so, pat yourself on the back. They have one set of parallel lines and the other ones are intersecting. All of these shapes are called blank or blank. All of these shapes are called what? Or what? They are quadrilaterals and quadrangles. That's a hard word to say, isn't it? 4 sides, 4 angles. Quad means 4. Okay, this figure has opposite sides that are equal lengths. Opposite angles are equal, and the opposite sides are parallel. What am I? This figure has opposite sides that are equal lengths, opposite angles are equal, and opposite sides are parallel. What am I? You are a parallelogram. You got that correct? High five. All right, a triangle with all sides and angles that are equal. What type of triangle has all sides and angles equal? Yes, equilateral triangle. A polygon with all vertices pushed out. A polygon with all vertices pushed out is called what? Convex. That's a funny word, isn't it? What is a regular polygon? What makes up a regular polygon? Did you say equilateral and equiangular? All sides and all angles are equal. Good job. All right, 2 of these are not polygons. Tell me one that is not a polygon and explain why. If you said B or C, you are correct. B was not a closed shape. C had line segments that intersected and more than one interior. Okay, name 3 properties of polygons. What do you know about polygons? Name 3 properties of polygons. All right, you should have said at least 3 of these things. A polygon is made up of line segments. Sides must meet at endpoints to form angles and vertices. The number of sides is the same as the number of angles and vertices. All sides of a polygon must be connected end to end. No 2 sides may touch except at a vertex. A polygon can have any number of sides as long as it has at least 3. A polygon can only have 1 interior, 1 inside. Next question. The starting point on an array is called an... The starting point on an array is called an what? Here's your hint. It's the opposite of start. It's called an end point. True or false? One line can be named A, E, B. Why? True or false? One line can be named A, E, B. Why? That is false. You only name a line using 2 points, not 3. 3 would be naming an angle. Name the line that intersects. Name the line that intersects. Did you say line EF? Good job. The place where lines cross is called The place where lines cross is called an intersection. If a right angle measures 90 degrees, a straight line measures blank degrees. If a right angle measures 90 degrees, a straight angle measures blank degrees. Yes, 180 degrees. The point where two line segments or rays meet to form an angle is called the point where two line segments or rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Good job. What is the name of this special angle and why is it special? What is the name of this special angle and why is it special? Yes, of course, it is a right angle. And a right angle is special because it measures 90 degrees and it's a square corner. What are the two names for this angle? What are the two names for this angle? You could call it angle APB or angle BPA. Bonus points if you said it's acute. Which angle is obtuse? Which angle is obtuse? You chose B. Obtuse angles, you know, are larger than 90 degrees. Give yourself a pat on the back. Give two names for this shape. Give two names for this shape. You could have called it a pentagon, a polygon, or a regular polygon. Blank, blank, and blank are parallelograms. What three shapes are parallelograms? I hope you said squares, rectangles, and rhombuses. All right, last one. Lines that never intersect are called... Lines that never intersect are called... Of course, they are called parallel lines. Excellent job. You are ready for your test. Go do great. You got this.